how to make millions in the stock market. So a quick tip is that you can just YOLO on weekly options and you'll probably be a millionaire next week. We all know that's not the way to go. The risks are too high compared to the rewards. And as a new day trader, you're guaranteed to fail. So you're probably asking now, how do I make millions in the stock market? Well, that's why you clicked on this video, ain't it? So what's the formula? Well, it's pretty simple. All you do is buy and hold. So here's the reason why. Well, it takes time and a strong conviction to the company. So let me give you an example with conviction. I currently own Tesla shares, and when Tesla dips, I usually just buy instead of panic selling. And the second reason is buying and holding is 10 times safer than you trying to outsmart the market with buying and selling and buying and selling and buying and selling. You're guaranteed to make mistakes where you sell high and somehow the stocks goes even higher, and now you have to buy it at that price, like the fear of missing out. The good thing with buying and holding is that your assets are gonna compound. So let me give you an example. So let's put $100,000 into the stock market, and let's say we will get 10% as return yearly, and let's do that in 40 years. So with that $100,000 investment, we're gonna end up after 40 years with having $4.5 million simply by buying and holding. And with the help of compound interest, this is how much you can do. And if we increase this to 50 years, you're gonna end up with $11.7 million. And we have not paid taxes yet. So you're probably thinking now, that's easy. Everyone can get rich. Well, not exactly. It's actually extremely hard to just put your money in something and just leave it without touching it. Many people have the concept by doing more, you earn more. But in reality, just buying and holding is way better. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of people who make profits day trading, but for the majority of the people, they won't be successful. Well, concluding this, if you're young and you have the time, take advantage of it. If you're old and you're close to retirement, I would probably suggest Wall Street Bets for you. Thanks for watching, and my goal is 1 like, so if you could give me a like, you would make my day.